everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Fauzia. I am a Pakistani content creator based in Riyadh. I am a finance professional and a passionate paper crafter. My lifestyle related content basically falls into the categories of DIY, baking, modest fashion, beauty and skincare, book reviews, travel, home improvement, and a lot more. Today I'm going to organize my fridge along with you people. I hope you people are going to find it beneficial and get some good ideas to organize your fridge.
What a mess! As first step of the fridge organization, I am taking out everything to deep clean the fridge. Now with the help of a fridge cleaner, I'm thoroughly cleaning all the parts. Washing all my fruits and vegetables. I store my vegetables mostly in this bigger bin of the fridge. These small clear bins help me to keep the vegetables sorted and organized. I keep my herbs like coriander and mint in these flat boxes and keep either a fork or an egg to keep them fresh. All vegetables washed, sorted and stored. Let's do the fridge door. Now I'm keeping all the eggs first and the remaining eggs I'll keep in a separate egg box. Keeping all the sauces in the below compartment. These tiny fridge hangers are perfect to store sachets. To store some of my skincare products in fridge, so here they are. In the top part, I'm storing cream cheese, labni, fruit yogurt, juices, labban, minus any kind of fizzy drinks. When it comes to fridge organization, these clear acrylic bins or trays are your best friends. I store some of my fruits in fridge and these bins really help me to store and sort them. In the smaller trays, keeping Tetra Pak and tin cans. These jar-shaped Ziploc bags really help to store items in fridge. I store most of my chilled wind items in them. Storing leftover food, dough, and other similar items in airtight containers. And here is the final and closer look of the fridge. So it's time to sort out the freezer. In order to deep clean, I'm taking out everything. I divide the below section of freezer in 4 parts using these bins and store all sort of meat here, from chicken, seafood, red meat, boneless, etc. In the top compartment, I keep shami kebab in a flat container, ginger garlic paste in cube form, frozen parathas, raw papaya again in cube forms, and ice tray. I store some of the vegetable in freezer door in Ziploc bag. And here is the final transformation of the fridge. Clean, sorted, and all organized.
That's a wrap. I hope you people enjoyed. I would like to thank Nadiya for this opportunity. See you people some other time in another home improvement video. Have a nice day.